Hello everyone, welcome back to Prodart channel. Today we are discussing the best laptops for recording music at home. The music industry has developed a lot in recent years. If you are a musician looking forward to setting up a perfect studio at home, then the first and foremost requirement will be laptops. The laptops are essential for composing, editing, and also for recording the music. From ordinary YouTubers to the most incredible musicians, everyone needs a perfect laptop for music recording. The Apple company has been ruling the world of musicians with its beautiful music based laptop designs that can be used for composing and recording the music. This particular set of laptop models, designed especially for music, created the use of approval in the industry. Most people prefer shifting their techniques to this modern equipment rather than the age old methods of recording. But one of the huge disadvantages that the upcoming musicians faced is that the price of the Apple laptops was huge. This price range was not suitable for an average person. If you plan to set up a music studio at your home, you need a perfect music based laptop within a budget. Even though getting a high priced Apple laptop might be out of the question, you can still try other regular brands. The other brands in the market have been trying to produce laptops specifically for music recording and composing at a lower price to meet the people's requirement. When you are purchasing a laptop for recording music in your home, specific requirements and features need to be checked. The laptop should have the ability to support all the music features and support the music related software that will increase in size and performance after every update. So while purchasing a laptop for your music recording at home, make sure that they can support the latest version of the music software combined with a good screen and speakers. Brand and quality. The first important thing that needs to be noted by purchasing a laptop is the brand and quality. The laptop's brand is directly proportional to the quality because most of the well-known brands always concentrate on producing high quality. Some of the brands like HP, Dell, and Apple have been making laptops specifically for the musician's purpose. The laptop's quality is more important for a musician because if there is an issue with the quality, then the end product will be affected by it. Purchasing a high branded product will be suitable for setting up a music studio within the house. But certain brands like Apple will have a considerable price. So if you are going for a brand within the budget, then brands like Asus, Acer, and HP will be suitable. Budget. As a musician, you will be attracted to the best music-based laptops in the market that can create the best music in the world. But sometimes people will have a limited budget that prevents them from purchasing high quality laptops. If you are trying to set up a recording studio within your home for a budget, then purchasing a good quality laptop with some basic features will be suitable. Limiting the budget does not mean limiting resources. Buying the laptop within the budget of rupees 40,000 to 50,000 will be suitable. This budget will allow you to purchase the laptop with the necessary features ideal for your home-based studio. Screen size. Recording music videos and audio will not require a huge screen. The composing software and other software can be used in a laptop with a decent sized screen. A large screen is essential if you are a professional composer with your very own recording studio. But for a home-based recording studio, having a small screen size laptop is enough. And it will also be convenient for you to carry them around. The size of the screen can range from 14 to 16 inches and not larger than that. If you have any idea of opening your very own recording studio in the future, you can purchase a costly laptop with a large screen. But other than that, there is no use for you. Resolution. When you go for the screen's resolution, you might be forced to choose a design that will have a good LED screen. Specific models are more advanced than the LED screen, including the OLED screen and screens with high quality viewing angles. But as a music composer, you will not require these high quality screens which are of the high price. So purchasing a laptop with a 1080 pixel resolution will be enough. If you are looking for a much more budgeted option, then you can go for the 720 pixel resolution, which is also good enough for a music recording and composing. But despite the resolution and size of the screen, that is one thing that should be available on the laptop. The color of the screen should be brighter and perfect. If possible, the screen should have the ability to adjust the brightness according to your requirement. Because when you are editing the audio file, you should have a clear screen with proper denominations of time and controls. If possible, purchase a screen with adequate UV protection so that your eyes will be saved from radiation. This will allow you to work for long hours on your laptop without worrying about getting your eyes affected by it. Microphone and speakers. When you are purchasing a laptop for setting up a studio within your home, the essential feature you should note is microphones and speakers presence. The speaker within the laptop should be of high quality. Purchasing a laptop with Beats speaker will allow you to enjoy a clear sound without having to worry about the quality. But always remember that these high quality speakers are suitable for only YouTube recordings and another basic quality recording that can be uploaded on your blogs. But if you are thinking about purchasing a laptop for high quality recordings like pop songs and other DJ quality music, then do not bother with the audio quality of the laptop. Because of such high quality recordings, you might need a separate set of individual speakers and microphones. Along with the speakers, the microphone for the laptop should also be of good quality. Buying a laptop with an integrated microphone that can record your voice without any distortion. You can also use the microphones by attaching it in the audio jack. But having an integrated microphone will come in handy if you are outside. Check for the sound quality produced by the speakers and also check through separate headphones before purchasing your laptop. Processor. The processor is a vital part of the laptop, and having a good quality processor is essential for music recording and composing. The processor is necessary for processing the inputs and the outputs. For example, when you are recording, the processor will be responsible for allowing you to run multiple instruments simultaneously, providing proper effects. And for the speed of the export, when you are looking for an Intel Core processor, you can choose the i3 or i5 model to support all audio software types. You can also choose a laptop with the AMD Ryzen 5 model for better quality. The high quality laptops will use the Core i9 models, but they are costly and available only in laptops used in the studios. For building a home-based setup, having a simple laptop with a simple processor is enough. The processor allows you to operate on multiple software at the same time. We would recommend the Intel's i5 line and AMD Ryzen's 5 line, but you can go for the i3 and other lower models if the budget is a bit lower. RAM. The RAM is responsible for storing the brief details of the software when the system is running. The storage memory power of RAM allows you to decide how many audio files you can run at a single time and how fast they can produce the result. Some of the most famous music apps will run correctly with 4 GB RAM, but the laptop speed will be reduced automatically when you are working on some heavy audio files. So try to look for a laptop with 8 GB RAM. Having more RAM means more speed and quick recovery of the file after invoking them from the sleep mode. So technically, when you are choosing a RAM, go for the model with the highest storage that will fit within your budget. Disk drive. The disk drives are responsible for the permanent storages in your computer or laptop. When you are looking for a laptop with a suitable disk drive, you will come face to face with two options. It is either SSD or HDD. All the software you have installed on your computer, including the operating system, will have their permanent and temporary files stored within the disk drive. Along with that, the administrative files will also be present within this particular storage device. The solid state drive, otherwise known as SSD, is suitable for all types of laptops, but they are available only in low storage spaces. Their budget is higher and hence they are available in specific models only. But suppose you want to save your files safely within the laptop without any external storage backup. In that case, SSD will be a suitable option because they can withstand pressures and external damages. The next type of disk drive is the hard disk drive or HDD. This type of disk drive has been available for ages and they are used for storing the details in bulk. These disk drives have low prices and they are available in large sizes. The HDD is magnetic disks and they are easily susceptible to damage. The data stored will be lost within a second, but the SSD disk drives have more ability to withstand pressure. We would recommend you to go for a combination of both that will allow you to store the more critical data in SSD and the rest in HDD. You can also use the external storage devices like an external hard disk for permanent memory and safety. But whatever model you choose, to make sure that the memory is at least 500 GB for installing powerful audio software and other music related software. Connection ports. The next important thing that needs to be taken into account is the connection ports of the laptop. Usually all the laptops have connection ports like USB and HDMI ports. But as a musician, you will require a lot of connection ports for connecting other music devices and storage devices to the laptop. The HDMI port and the USB port should be of high quality, allowing multiple devices to be connected to the laptop simultaneously. While purchasing, make sure that the laptop has a good set of ports that can be used for multiple connections simultaneously. Battery. Handling the music software and other editing software will make the batteries on the laptop deplete at a rapid pace. So purchasing a laptop with a good battery that can last up to 10 hours will be useful, especially if you are traveling outside with your laptop. Some brands offer a good battery power with proper protection that will allow you to enjoy working on the laptop for long hours without worrying about changing them. The length of the battery should also be long enough so that you can charge them anywhere and be comfortable about it. Certain other features need to be taken into account while purchasing a laptop and the features mentioned above. Having a proper Bluetooth technology combined with the Wi-Fi technology will allow you to quickly transfer the files between your phone and laptop and other. Even though it is not used for music recording, the web camera still needs to be of acceptable quality with at least 2 MP resolution. As a musician, you will be forced to use the laptop for long hours, and hence while purchasing, make sure that the laptop has a proper cooling system to prevent internal heating. The laptop should also have a good ergonomically placed keyboard system with feather touch technology that allows you to operate on them freely. The touchpad should also be perfect with a good response. You can also purchase a touchscreen laptop, but your requirement for using the touchscreen laptop will be limited as a musician. So do not waste your money on the touchscreen and try to purchase a good quality laptop in that amount. All the points mentioned above are essential for purchasing a laptop that falls within the budget given ahead are some of the models that will be suitable for your studio within the home. We selected these models based upon your requirements. So you can either choose these designs or choose a model that you feel comfortable with. We recommend the best laptops for Indian and international editions. The best Indian edition laptops are MI Notebook Horizon Edition 14 Intel Core i5 10210U. Description: Processor Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD disk drive, Windows 10 OS, 14 inches wide screen width, extra features, high quality web camera, NVIDIA MX 350 2 GB graphics card. Asus ZenBook UX430UA GV573T Intel Core i5 8th generation laptop. Description: Processor Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD disk drive, Windows 10 OS, 15 inches wide screen width, extra features, thin and light laptop, integrated graphics. Asus VivoBook Flip 14 Intel Core i3 10110U 10th generation, thin and light laptop. Description: Intel Core i3 processor, 4 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD disk drive, Windows 10 OS, 14 inches screen width, extra features, thin model laptop in a beautiful silver grey color, low weight and flip technology. Lenovo Yoga Slim i7 10th generation Intel Core i5 14-inch Full HD IPS thin and light laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD disk drive, Windows 10 OS, screen width 14 inches, extra features, the slate grey color thin model laptop with NVIDIA graphics card. Dell Inspiron 3493 14-inch laptop. Description: Processor Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD disk drive, Windows 10 OS, screen width 14 inches, extra features, Intel HD graphics card with a beautiful silver finish. Best International Edition laptops are Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop. Description: AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD disk drive, Windows 10 OS, screen width 15.6 inches, extra features, silver colored laptop with graphic card. 2020 newest HP 360 2-in-1 14-inch FHD touchscreen Chromebook. Description: Processor Intel Core i3 processor, 8 GB RAM, 64 GB eMMC disk drive, Windows 10 OS, screen width 14 inches, extra features, fingerprint reader, backlit keyboard. Samsung Chromebook Plus V2 2-in-1 Intel Core M3 4 GB RAM, 64 GB eMMC. Description: Intel Core M3 processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB HDD disk drive, Chrome OS, screen width 12.2 inches, extra features, 2-in-1 model Chromebook thin model. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 14-inch convertible laptop. Description: Processor Intel Core i5 1035G1 processor, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB disk drive, SSD, Windows 10 OS, screen width 14 inches. Intel UHD graphics Win 10. Extra features: graphite grey color convertible laptop. Dell Inspiron 15 5593 10th generation Core i5. Description: Processor Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 256 SSD disk drive, Windows 10 OS, screen width 15.6 inches, extra features: backlit keyboard with complete HD display. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share and comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to ProdHeart channel as well.